Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley Bug here. I inherited this rascal from my neighbor. He had set it out for the trash to pick up, and I saw it. And I asked him about it. He said it belonged to his wife's friend, a friend of his wife. And her father-in-law passed away, and she wound up with the motor and didn't really want it. So she gave it to him. It sat in his shed for, I don't know, he said 3 or 4 or 5 years. But he said, if you want it, just take it, stand and all, it's yours. So I got to thinking, the one thing I'm not is a mechanic. I'm an old construction worker, iron worker, pipe fitter, carpenter, cement finisher, whatever it took. It didn't matter. But I'm gonna give it a try. I reckon we'll start. I brought it over here and played with the impeller. It turns. So I know that's not froze up. Okay? I checked her out, went on YouTube, online, and they said they got levers on the side to open it up with. And I hunted levers and couldn't find them. And I finally found that button right there. That takes the top off. All right, I got the top off. The next thing I did was real careful. Check out the wires. Everything looks good. It's a little dirty, been setting up and needs cleaning. Got a lot of dust on it. I checked everything out real careful that I could see. All right, this didn't want to turn. WD-40. I sprayed everything, got all that loosened up. Went around checking it out. The shift lever was corroded, but I finally got it limbered up. So the thing is, after all that, I figured, well, I went here. Kind of hard to do this one-handed. Compression is good. It's really good. And my son-in-law is coming over in a little bit, and we're gonna check it for spark. And if that big boy sparks, I'm gonna be able to start it. It's a nice little motor. Now, it's been well used. It's been used quite a bit, but it's in good shape. Look how clean it looks. All your wires are clean. You don't see any frayed wires or anything. But as soon as he gets here with his spark tester, we're gonna give this boy a shot. I don't have the connector. Mercury has a connector. It's not like the Johnson or Evinrude. So what I might have to do is go into that fuel pump and hook directly to the fuel pump to get gas in there. I either spray it in the plugs and see if I can get it to pop. And if it pops, I know where to start. All right, like and proceed. Son-in-law Stephen, Starkey Farmstead, showed up with the right tools. Shows you what kind of mechanic I am. Anyway, Samantha Starkey and Steve Starkey from Starkey's Farmstead. Look, they're in mushrooms, they in crawfish, they in the tilapia, they in the no-till, all on 2 acres. And that's not a joke. You ought to check your YouTube channel out.
That's right. Check us out. Check us out.
You got a little wire brush somewhere?
Yes, sir. I got a wire brush. It should be right here, Stephen. Wait, here it is. So what we're doing now, people, we're pulling the plugs on this motor. Man, it looks good. I can't believe how good those wires look. Even all your hoses is still supple, still good. If this thing's got fire, I can pull that carburetor and fuel pump and clean it, and I believe she'll run. It can't look that good and not be bad. I just can't believe it. what we're doing, we got good fire. So what we're gonna do, we've shot just a little bit of WD-40 behind the plugs, and we're gonna put just a little bit of gas in there and see if she'll fire. And if she'll get up, it's just a matter of clean the carburetor or whatever else I need to do. Clean the carburetor, which I'm sure if it's sitting up, it might need it. And put a new water pump for sure. So this might not be, Samantha, I'm gonna need your help. You hold on to this.
Okay, all right, baby. I'm filming for my daddy, but look that video up, love, and let me know how it goes.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I put it up the other day. If you want to find it quicker, just run through my Facebook. I think I put that video up about 4 or 5 days ago and shared it. All right, baby. Good luck.
Who's
All
that?
right, you ready?
Misty, they're getting a baby pig.
All right, hang on to it. Come on, baby. She'll run.
What was that?
You right, pull it, Stephen. Yeah, I can smell something. Oh yeah, listen at that.
There it goes.
She'll run. She'll run.
That's awesome, guys. Congratulations.
That's why he was getting
For
rid
my
of it.
gas can.
He told me, he said, it's been sitting in my garage. I don't know if it'll run. I never checked it. Gas in the plug, she starts. I did not check the carburetor. Did not check the fuel pump. But either way, all you gotta do is clean those. Check the lower engine oil and a new water pump, and you got a good motor.
So once you do your water pump, you're gonna change your lower unit all anyways.
Yeah. So the thing is this, I wanna trade it basically for anything pertaining to beehives, bees.
Or sell it for anything that you can.
Yeah, y'all either sell it and buy my own stuff for the bees. So if anybody wants a 7.5 Mercury, here she sits. Like and subscribe.